Hi, welcome to a product close-up. This is Kelly representing Trinity Stamps. I'm going to be showing you here a close-up of the Tree-mendous 4x6 stamp set, and they have sold separately a coordinating die set. This is a really cute set with all these little critters, and it has many other images. It has your holly leaves, your pine leaves, an acorn, a light, and these little pine cones, a leaf, and then it has your main image. Then it has a small little "Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas" in fine print, and then it has "Joy to the World, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and hope you have a tremendous holiday season," which is a pun on the image, which is adorable. I'm an animal lover, and most people I know are animal lovers, and this is a perfect card for them for the holidays. I'm going to show you what it looks like stamped out. They do sell a die set, which is sold separately, and I have that here. I cut it apart already, and I'll show you that. It has the one large image that cuts out the main image, the focal image, and then it has all the die sets, the dies for the coordinating images as well. Each sentiment has its own die as well. This is for the fine print one, "Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas," and the other ones are here, as you see. I'm going to show you what the images look like once they're stamped out. I'm sorry, a little disorganized here. Okay, this is the image stamped out here. Look how cute that is. Now you can stamp this on white cardstock and then color it in. You can stamp it on brown and then just add highlights to if you want to go quicker. The options are endless. And you can leave it like that, or you can die cut it and put it on your own background. And then here's the other images stamped out. Here's "Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas," and all the other images here, and the sentiments and the images. So there's a lot of options here with this stamp set. Again, this is a 4x6 stamp set. This image, this is stamped on an A2 cardstock, so you get an idea. It fills the full panel. So it's a great focal image. Here's a card I made with this image. I was watching TV and I colored in my little critters here, and then I used a Trinity Stamps snowfall stencil for the background in white unicorn ink, and I just used some black to add highlight to the edges in distress oxide ink. And then I also, if you can see, I added some shimmer to the lights and some glossy accents to the other images, and I used black lace pen for the eyes, and then I propped it up on foam. And on the inside, I stamped the image as well, and I continued the sentiment. "We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year." And then I could write my image over the inside part here. So, isn't that adorable? I just think it's so cute. So if you get a chance, please check out Trinity Stamps blog, Instagram TV, and their Facebook group for more inspiration from the design team. And in a moment here, I'm going to be showing you a few more cards that were created by the design team, so you can see how diverse and how adorable this tremendous stamp set is. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay happy, and don't forget, stay crafty.